Hello friends, this is Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you're all doing well and practicing your English listening and speaking skills. I'm also practicing it along with you. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic, cloud seeding, and how it's being used in Delhi to help reduce pollution. So let's begin by looking at this image of Delhi before winter. Every year pollution level rises drastically. The sky turns grey and smog covers the city. To deal with this, scientists have been trying a special weather modification technique called cloud seeding. And what exactly is this? It's a scientific method used to artificially produce rain or snow. The idea is just simple. Sometimes clouds have moisture but not enough particles for rain to form naturally. So by adding certain material, we help clouds to produce rain. Isn't that cool? It's like giving nature a little bit help. So here's how it works. Seeding agents such as silver iodide or dry ice or even salt is released into the clouds using the airplanes or rockets. These particles act as a nuclei, the tiny centers where water droplets can form. So, as more droplets gather, they grow heavier and eventually fall as rain. But remember, this only works if the cloud have already enough moisture and the right conditions. So, cloud seeding isn't just used for Delhi, it's also used around the world too. It is used to increase the rainfall in the drought prone areas. It can also help to reduce the hail damage and clear the fog at airports. Recently, some cities have tried to reduce the air pollution by making artificial rain that helps wash away the dust and harmful particles from the air by the help of some vehicles that spray water from the big trucks. Like you may have seen in Delhi on the roads there are trucks that keep spraying many water to the surrounding to remove the dust particles and pollution, but it's not always successful. Scientists say that while cloud seeding can increase the rainfall in some situation, it's not guaranteed. Yes, if the clouds are too dry, the process fails. It's also not a permanent solution to problem like air pollution. It's more like a short term or emergency measure. So we still need to work on the real causes like emissions, crop burning and dust control. Now let's talk about what has actually happened in Delhi. Delhi, in collaboration with IIT Kanpur, tried cloud seeding for the first time during winter. But unfortunately, the first few trials didn't produce much rain, just zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.2 millimeter. Why? Because the clouds didn't have enough moisture, and yes, only around 1.5 or 1.5 to 20%. So however, a small reduction in particulate matter, the PM 2.5 and the PM 10 was recorded, showing that it did have some positive effect also. So what does this mean? Cloud seeding is an experimental technique that might help reduce the pollution temporarily. It's not a replacement for the solving the root problems, but it could be useful when conditions are right. The Delhi government plans to continue these trials only when moisture levels reach 30% or more. So, friends, that was all about the cloud seeding and its role in Delhi's fight against pollution. Now, before we end, let's learn a new English word for today. The word is mitigate. It means to make something less severe, serious, or painful. For example, cloud seeding is being used to mitigate the air pollution in Delhi. Keep learning new words like this day and keep practicing English speaking and listening skills. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye.